We are doing exercise 1.4 second sum. In a colony, 275 families buy Tamil newspaper and 150 families buy English newspaper, 45 families buy Hindi newspaper. So there are three newspapers are which we now 275 families buy Tamil newspaper, 150 families buy English newspaper, 45 families buy Hindi newspaper. Next, both Tamil and English newspaper 125. 17 families by English and Hindi. 5 families by Tamil and Hindi. And 3 families by all the 3. If each family buy at least one of these newspapers, then find number of families by only one newspaper. Number of families by at least 2 newspaper. At least 2 mean at least. I will explain this. Total number of families in the colony. We want to find total number of family. ஒரு newspaper வாங்கலாம் at least 2 ரெண்டு newspaper வாங்குறவங்கள கண்டிப்பா அப்ப at least 2னா 2 வாங்கலாம் இல்லனா 3யும் வாங்கலாம். Did you understand? That's by using Venn diagram only we can solve. Easily solve. Using the formula also you can solve. By using Venn diagram means it is easy for there are 3 number of questions are there. 3 questions are so we can easily solve. Now we want to write the given things. Tamil, English, Hindi. Now what is given? 275 families buy Tamil newspaper. Next 150 families. This one is English newspaper. Next 45 families buy Hindi. Now both Tamil and English how many? 125. The intersection place we want. Next English and Hindi how many families? 17 families. Next Tamil and Hindi 5 families. All the 3 how many families? 3 families. This is common for all. Next how will you find? Now both Tamil and English 125. This 3 also including here. The 3 வாங்கவங்கள என்ன செய்வா all the 3 வாங்கியவங்களோ இந்த தமிழ் and இங்கிலீஷ் இந்த ரெண்டுக்கும் வருவாங்க அப்படிதானே இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன செய்யணும் இந்த 3 கொண்டு இதில் இந்த காமனை subtract 125 minus 3 equal to 122. Now circle this now 5 minus 3 this is Tamil and English paper buyers are how many? 122. Now Tamil and Hindi paper buyers are 2 only. Next English and Hindi papers buyers 17 minus 3 equal to 14 people only buy English and Hindi. Now next we want to find only Tamil paper. How will you find out? 275 minus this 122 plus 3 plus 2 minus of 270 minus 125 plus 2 127. Now 15 minus 7 8 6 minus 2 4 2 minus 1 148 yellow Tamil 148 மட்டும்தான் தமிழ் வாங்க. Next English in the same minus 122 plus 3 plus 14 150 minus 125 plus 10 135 plus 4 139. Now 10 1 4 11 people buy only English newspaper. Now 45 minus 2 plus 3 plus 14 45 minus 5 plus 14 19. Now 15 minus 9 6 3 minus 1 2 26 by Hindi paper alone. Now what is the first question? Number of families buy only one newspaper means what? Number of families. What's the answer? Number of families by only one newspaper equal to only one is Tamil, English and Hindi. 148 plus 11 plus 26. What is answer? 185. Only one newspaper by us families, how many? 185. The next question is, now see, the next question is number of families by at least two newspaper. Two newspaper means two and more. At least two. കുറഞ്ഞത് രണ്ട് വാങ്ങണം. അപ്പോൾ ഏതെല്ലാം പറയാം? Oh, this 122. തമിഴ് next 3. 122 plus 3 plus 2 plus 14. 122 plus 3 plus 2 plus 14. So what is answer? 141. Now here next answer is what? Number of families by at least two newspapers equal to 122 plus 3 plus 14 plus 2. The answer is what? 141. Now next question is what? Total number of families in the colony. So 148 plus 122 plus 3 plus 2 plus 14 plus 11 plus 26. Now we want to find total number of families. Total number 148 plus 122 plus 3 plus 11 plus 2 plus 14 plus 26. What is the answer? 326. Total number of families is 326. This is the answer.